Countries are not taken over by war anymore. They are taken over by debt. This book exposes how entire economies are trapped by design. Yes, loans are structured so countries can't repay, and when they fail, they lose control. Here's how it actually works. John Perkins, let's talk about him. He's the author of the book. He worked inside the system, advising governments, negotiating billion-dollar deals, shaping economies. That is why this book hits differently. It is not an analysis. Actually, it is a confession by the author, by an economic hitman. The central idea is quite simple and disturbing. Powerful nations don't conquer countries with armies anymore. They trap with debt. Massive loans are pushed into the developing nations' economies for infrastructure, highways, motorways, power plants, canals, mega projects. On paper, looks like a growth, but the money never really reaches the people. It flows back to large corporations, consultants, and elites. The country is left with huge debt, weak economy, no ability to repay, and that's where the control begins. When a country can't repay, it gives up the natural resources, it supports the foreign policies in their country, it allows the foreign military access. Yes, foreign access on the land of the country. That becomes a weapon. If they don't accept the deal, the pressure increases. If pressure fails, the regime changes, the leadership changes. Entire economies are engineered to fail in a controlled way. Growth projections are deliberately inflated. Loans are designed to be unpayable. Dependency is not a side effect. It is the goal. A small group benefits. The majority pays the price.